scared of it. Give it a little gas.
He got his foot on the brake. Get your foot off the brake. What's up with you, baby?
Oh
yeah?
Yeah, what's up with you, baby?
Scared of that motherfucker.
Yeah, over that bag.
Man, I was showing them. Yeah, that thing do like 50.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a 125 Japan pit bike.
Look like a nice little thing.
I'm trying. I got 2 more I'm gonna give away.
You gotta stick your leg out when you go around turn.
Now I got one.
Got 3 gears?
It's automatic, but most of them come. Yeah, yeah. He told him.
Hold the brake.
He told him. Yeah.
That's why I don't want him.
He told him don't go down on it. Yeah, he did. He went down. He told him. Just scraped his hand up. He told him don't